$33.
Shrimp tacos, hard and soft. Yeah, there you go. And no chips on your shrimp one. Anything else I can get for you, Mama?
No, that's all.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
No
This looks good.
I'll come check out in 5 minutes.
Okay, thank you. Peace, y'all. I'm Ivory. I'm back. And it's time to eat again. And y'all, today I'm outside again. Yesterday I was in my neighborhood. Today I'm in the city. I'm at Tijuana Flats. And I have a grilled shrimp bowl. I have a grilled shrimp rice. Oh, come on now. I have a Dos Tacos tray. With some chips on the side. Don't it look good, y'all? Fresh jalapenos. Whew. My mouth is watering. Okay, I'm so thankful for this food, and I'm hungry, and I know I chopped off some of my head, but I had to make sure y'all could see the food. Alright, some black beans, cilantro lime rice. Oh, this looks so good. Piece of shrimp on the bottom. Y'all see it? I got my fan right here, y'all. Blowing right at my face. I need it. It's hot out here. Ooh. Ooh, y'all, look at this big long taco. Look, I like that. Okay. I think this combo was like $10 or $11. It looks so good though. Ooh. Y'all. This one is soft. Ooh. Oh, these jalapenos are very, very spicy. Just like he said. Y'all, this is delicious. If you have never gone to Tijuana Flats, yo, it's good. I like where I'm parked. I mean, where I'm sitting. City sounds, traffic sounds. I'm gonna walk on the river right behind me. I'm gonna walk out there and take y'all with me after we finish this food. That's so good. I don't need salt, pepper, hot sauce, and anything. I'm gonna turn this down one in case it's too loud. I like the pickled onions too in the rice bowl. It's Monday in the early afternoon, but this place right here on the weekend, you can't find a seat or a parking space. It's good. There's a lot of people going in, getting to-go orders because they're coming in and going out, but I'm the only one that's eating in dine-in style right now. It's good. I was gonna go to the farmer's market after here, but I see the rain clouds coming in, so I'll probably do that tomorrow. Y'all, this is really good. Hello. It's good. I'm gonna try some salsa now. My lipstick burning a little bit. It's tingling. I think I live 22 minutes from here. That's what the GPS said. And I've been coming here, a whole month won't go by before I come out here to Riverside. I love the beach. The river is more calm. The waters, they give a different vibe. I like to go to the river and think. I go to the ocean to release, you know. The sauce is good. It tastes fresh. Oh, y'all, this is good. Let me turn this to the side so y'all can see the inside of the soft shell. Y'all see it? Got them fresh jalapenos. I wish they had put more. They could have put like 5 or 8 more. I'm gonna break this one up so it ain't gone in one bite. Ooh. I think I'm gonna put a little bit of salsa on this one.
You doing okay out here, love?
This is really good.
Oh, great.
It's amazing. Thank you so much.
No problem.
It's so good though. I got some strawberry lemonade too. Look at the grilled peppers. Okay. It's good. Oh, this is so good. It's good. Y'all wanna see my shirt? Okay. I like my t-shirts big. I don't like tight t-shirts. And I'm not a diva. I am not a diva. I just like the colors. Speaking of the colors, y'all, I've been watching this series. Thank you. I've been watching a series about this one woman. Okay, first of all, it's a TikTok series. I'm not even on TikTok as a viewer. So I watched it with King Dave. I watched it with her. Doing her little breakdown and analysis. But y'all, this woman on the series, she was telling a long, I think a 30-part story time about how she ended up dating her therapist. Let me jump to the end of what I'm trying to say. Y'all, I'm still watching it because I'm like, I'm trying to wait for the key words or the signs that this is somebody anyway, y'all, I had to switch it a little bit. I hope y'all still can see me. But anyway, so y'all, I'm watching the series because I'm trying to figure out if this is a woman who I also dated. So I'm listening to the one girl who's telling her story about how she ended up dating a therapist. And y'all, the therapist is a finesser. She a finesser, okay? On top of that, this girl, I'm listening to her explain the situation, like certain situations, serious things they were going through, major red flags, y'all. Except it just sounded too familiar. It sounded too familiar to me. I say, and the girl, the therapist that she dated, has the same first letter initial as the therapist that I dated. The only thing that the woman did not say is how old the lady was, the therapist. So I'm listening, waiting for clues. I'm waiting for clues. Waiting for her to say how old the lady was, because I'm like, oh my goodness, I know it's her. She said what states they lived in, what type of fun they was having, stuff they was doing. And I'm like, yo. It sounds just like her. It sounds just like her. Oh my God, y'all. And I'm like, oh, she's still going. She's still going because I dated this woman. It was a while back, okay? Not forever ago, but long enough ago. Okay. It wasn't this year, it wasn't last year. And I'm sitting there, I'm like, this girl left out the woman who was telling the story. Her name is Dream, by the way. Dream didn't say years. She didn't name the year. She didn't say, she wasn't specific when it comes to like personal details. So it's really, in my opinion, it's hard to know like exactly who she's talking about. Because I'm like, this sounds just like her. And they both have the same first letter initial. They both are therapists. They both are finesses. So I'm like, oh my goodness, y'all. I say this woman's still out here. And that lady had a child. She had a child and a cat. Onyx. And I say, see, now she out here messing around with these folks, playing over their kids and their cats. Because see, I done lived in 5 different states. I lived in 5 different states. 5. Not 2. 5 different states in the United States of America. I had some experiences, okay? And this right here, y'all, it just makes me feel like if this is the same girl, this is strawberry lemonade, y'all. If this is the same woman who I dated, the therapist that I dated, because see, this woman was not my therapist. I should have said that like 10 minutes ago. This woman was not my therapist. She was a therapist who I dated. But for Dream, the woman who was telling her story, Dream was her patient, her client. It was like virtual therapy. Then they eventually met, and you know, things escalated. It's really good too. I got it with a lot of ice because I don't like sweet drinks. And now that the ice is kind of starting to melt, this thing is perfect. It's good. I'm gonna eat a little bit more of this right here. This is good. I know I'm eating the other stuff more, but this is just as good. So anyway, y'all, Dream was this woman's client. And I'm like, this lady's still going. She's still going. Because how dare you? And I get that sometimes therapists need therapists, but the professionalism, you're not supposed to ever allow the lines to get blurred. Don't be so damn desperate. There's other people out here to date. These people are already coming to you with trauma and baggage, and you want to make it worse. Anyway. So y'all, I think it's helpful to give stories. Oh no, my receipt blown away. Let me go get it. Something blow away every time. I think that doing story times is important, you know, because we be helping each other a lot of the time. And then sometimes these warnings are important. Yep, people ain't always hating. Some people are trying to help. But y'all, there's a therapist out here. It's a therapist out here, and she out here doing her big one. Okay, she make a plaything out of other people. Like, everybody's life is valuable, okay? But what's not okay is for us to like prop people up in the background of our life picture and just have them standing there, just, you know, some puppeteer or some ornament for us. Would you have other, hold on y'all.
So
Thank you so much.
Here is a lid for the bowl.
Thank you.
And then a box. Do you need a lid for your guacamole?
Do I? I don't know. No, I'll just dump it in there.
Oh, okay.
It's okay.
And then here's a bag if you need it.
Thank you so much,
You
ma'am.
need a refill?
I don't. It's
good?
just getting good. The ice is melting. It's
Okay.
good. Thank you.
No problem.
Ooh. What was I saying? Y'all don't know. I like her voice. Anyway. I don't know what I was saying last. But you got to be careful, y'all. You got to be careful because it's fair that people who do self-work and inner work, or, you know, people who you got your stuff together, you do get to a point where you're ready to date, you know? And even if you're not a relationship person, you might be open to new bonds, new experiences with people, but you still got to be careful. We manifest everybody in our lives. And one thing that Dream kept saying over and over, this lid don't really fit, but I'm gonna make it work. One thing Dream kept saying over and over and over was that she was ignoring red flags. She damn sure was, cause y'all, ooh, Dream. She a cutie pie too. You got to have your intuition on alert, okay? And pay attention. Because your enemy knows what kind of work you putting in for yourself. So they setting traps. Specific traps. Based on the new you. Yeah. You steady thinking you're gonna have the same old issues you had before when you was a mess. Oh, no. You're gonna encounter new types of people now. Yep. But everybody ain't pure. Everybody ain't clean. There's a lot of people that get sent here by entities they don't even know about. And it's not working. So, there's the Tijuana Flats where I was eating. And y'all look. The river is right there. You see it? Let's go. Stuff got messed up in a hurricane, y'all. Y'all see it? So they got this other border. This must have just happened too. The waves probably was crashing real high. With the winds and the force. Yeah. This is actually a fountain, y'all. Look. It's kind of nice. Oh, yeah. You can just come out here and find somewhere to sit and just relax. But y'all, look, let me show you this side. How the wall fell down. See, look, y'all, look. I know it was Debbie. I know it was. I could feel it. I could feel it. Y'all see how it was all messed up? Let me zoom in. Y'all see it? I actually parked right over there, down that street right there, and Tijuana Flats is over there. And I just walked right over. And on top of that, y'all, I used to live over here. I used to walk here 2-3 times a week. It's hot out here, but it is definitely nice. I love y'all. I'll be back. I'm gonna go charge my camera before it dies and see if I can make the farmer's market before it starts raining. But anyway, peace out.